So now we are here at Marui near Omiya station. So there's this place where they have a gacha coin. I'll just show you this place. They also have a gacha coin for pearls. Back to the Future, Volkswagen Beetle, Toyota 2000 GT. Ultraman. Marvel. But like cards only.
You want to try that?
Well, yeah, but the thing is, it's just sometimes it's just a big waste of money. This one is like 500 yen.
But you are not sure what are you going to get?
Yeah, we could probably get one of the four or the base only.
Last time, what did you get?
Just the base only.
Okay.
So yeah, we're here for this very unique Pringles vending machine. In the hole. Okay. Maybe I have to cut the coins here. Okay.
Ready, go!
I don't know what's happening.
Yeah! Pringles!
I don't know.
Pringles!
Okay.
Okay. We got
Pringles! It's out of Tiger.
we got what?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. I think it just says 1, 2, 3, but anyway, we just got a small can of Pringles.
For 200 yen?
For 200 yen, it is expensive. Usually the normal size can of Pringles, that's already 200 yen, but this is like half the size. Anyway, yeah, it's just interesting. Pringles vending machine. And they have other vending machines here for like Mentos. Okay. And this one,
This is for what?
I think for fingernails.
Okay.
Okay, they can get.
Nail tip level 3. Okay.
Okay, that's. And then yeah, even lollipops, chupa chops. Okay. And yeah. Anyway, that's our video for today. Thank you for watching.